overextended. Hey, how about a little help?
Help him up, Shane. Good boy. Squeeze his nose.
Oh, yeah. School's in session. Time for a new Mouse-ka-Move. Hit it. I call this one Mouse-ka-Mix. Now you try. Midnight is out. Together, we're one cool dance crew. What's that? Uh-oh. Lean up on aisle 5. How about a little help?
Squeeze his nose.
Looks like I've overextended. Hey, uh-oh. Lean up on aisle 5.
You gotta squeeze his nose, but you gotta lift him up.
Looks like I've overextended.
Here.
How?
Squeeze his nose. You can do it. Uh-oh, you made him fall. Here.
Thanks, pal.
Squeeze his nose.
Listen to the rhythm get off your seat. Everybody just boogie to the funky beat. Get up, get down, and clap your hands. No stop. Everybody dance.
Go, Shane. It's your birthday. Go, Shane. You wanna dance?
M-I-C, K-U-I. Oh, cool. Yeah. M-I-C, K-U-I. Word to the M-O-U-S-E. That's me.
Here, squeeze his nose, baby.
If you want more, just squeeze my nose.
Squeeze his nose.
Okay, time for a new Mouse-ka-Move. I call this one. Whoops. Looks like I've
You made him fall. Squeeze his nose, babe. Squeeze it. You don't want to play with him no more. Look.
What's that?
Squeeze his
You want
nose.
some more? Just squeeze my nose.
Squeeze his nose. You're done. Say bye-bye.